Okay, so here's a tip when your car doesn't start. It's a Honda Prelude 2001 manual. It works with most Hondas. If you have this problem, let's see. Alright, so I got a strong battery, but it won't start. Push the clutch. Nothing. See? I thought it was the starter, but it's not. You got a good battery, a good starter. So what's the problem? It's the clutch. There's this little plastic thing. $6. Cost a Honda. It's about 10 cents to make, but they'll charge you $6. This goes on the clutch, and there's a switch in the clutch, the safety switch, so that when you start, the car doesn't roll forward if it's in gear and ran over somebody by mistake. So there you go. There's two of them, one in the front for the cruise control, one in the back for the safety switch. The one in the back is the pain in the ass to change. So save a couple $100 by trying to do it yourself and take it to the dealer. Alright, this is the pedal clutch. And I need to put the switch all the way. Let's see if I can do it here. Right there. Where the flashlight is pointing. It goes all the way in there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's where that little piece of rubber goes. A little $6 plastic piece. It goes there in the back. It's a pain in the ass to put it in there. So I need some, you can see the hole right there. You see the hole? Right there. There's the hole for that little plastic rub. So, if you can't put the plastic piece in there, rubber in there, you can take the switch right here, the switch, that's the plastic, and bypass that, and it should start. This is the clutch switch, safety clutch switch. So I don't have pliers to do the job, so I got these chopsticks. And don't break this, just put the thing here, like so. Like so. There you go. And I'm gonna push it up underneath the steering wheel and put it in the clutch right there. Let's try it. So the idea is to use the chopsticks, push it up here, put it into the hole. But I need two hands. So let's see. Okay. There it is. A little piece of rubber. See it right there? There you go. See the little round piece? Oh, let it focus. There you go. That should do it. It's in there. Use some chopsticks to put it in there. Alright, so let's try it. There you go. $6 piece fixes the problem. And Here's the old one. There you go. That's the old one. That's what it looks like. Well, hope that helps.